Hi, my name is Laura Sofia Martinez, and today we'll teach you how to make Oreo truffles. So let's start. The ingredients are Oreo cookies, a splash of milk, and melted chocolate or condensed milk. The first thing we have to do is crush in the blender of food processor the Oreo cookies. When they are ready, you place them on the plate and make a splash of milk and stir. Then the bags in small bag and put in the fridge for 50 minutes. Then you take it out of the fridge, and since they are going to be hard, you can make shapes. In his case, I will give them the shape of circles. We will add condensed milk or melted chocolate. And they will be ready to eat.